Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Joe, and we're the co-founders of Occumi.
We've known each other since year 7 and both graduated from the University of Kent in 2017.
During our time at university, we realised that many students were having the same problems as us. They were struggling to stand out and they couldn't identify their skills.
We realised that, like us, many students did not understand the importance of transferable skills, so we created Occumi to solve that. Occumi's algorithm uses a student's educational qualifications and work experience to calculate their transferable skills.
The algorithm is supported by over 1,200 data points, including input from university lecturers, course outlines, and industry professionals.
As you can see, after entering their information, students are then presented with the skills dashboard that gives them information about each of their skills, allows them to reflect on where they developed them, and includes a skills chart which they can then use on their CVs.
Occumi is all about helping students and graduates to be able to identify and understand their transferable skills, helping them to sell themselves to employers as a result.
Our target market for Occumi is university career services. We license our software to universities so that they can help their students improve their employability at any cost to the student. We used the previous Eira microfinance grant to exhibit at 2 key industry events, the ADCAS Annual Conference and the ADCAS Heads of Service Conference.
ADCAS is made up of higher education and careers advisors from universities across the UK and beyond. By attending these conferences, we intended to increase our brand awareness and develop relationships within the market.
Our main goal was to turn these new relationships into sales. Having been able to speak to so many heads of service, we have already secured 2 trials at universities and expect this number to rise to 6.
Another goal of the ADCAS conferences was to gain insight into the market and also to gather feedback on Occumi. This feedback allowed us to identify a key function that could be essential to our success. This function is single sign-on.
We will use part of this Eira grant to add single sign-on to Occumi. This will streamline the process for universities to partner with Occumi, thereby dealing with one of the key barriers to uptake of the platform.
We have found that building relationships with key stakeholders is the most effective sales method within this market. Therefore, we will use the other part of the Eira grant to attend the next ADCAS conference in June.
Continued attendance at ADCAS conferences will allow us to build upon our existing relationships, develop new leads, increase brand awareness, and ensure that Occumi becomes a trusted voice.
Eira has already helped us to move Occumi forward. This grant will help to ensure that we build on the success of the previous grant by helping the company to take steps that will solidify its position in the market. Thank you for watching.